Be ready. Start. The appellate authority has no jurisdiction to entertain such appeal if an amount equal to the amount of gratuity is not deposited within the time stipulated under subsection 7 of section 7 of the Act. Stop. The contention urged by Mr. Raleigh learned senior counsel for the appellants that in the present case limitation would start to run from the date of receipt of the certified copy also deserves to be rejected outright. Stop. In the present case, the text of the order of the controlling authority was served on the petitioners on 27/10/2006, and there was no reason whatsoever for the petitioners to wait till they got the certified copy for filing an appeal under subsection 7 of section 7 of the Act. Stop. Even if it is assumed that the period for obtaining certified copy needs to be excluded for reckoning the limitation as tried to be contended by Mr. Raleigh, still, in my opinion, in the present case, only 1 day will have to be excluded. Stop. The certified copy was applied and received by the petitioners on 10/11/2006. Stop. The petitioner, however, had acknowledged about the order when he had received the order on 27/10/2006. Stop. I do not see any valid reason to exclude the period between 27/10/2006 and 9/11/2006 for the purpose of limitation. Stop. Moreover, the petitioners did not explain as to why they did not apply for certified copy immediately or why they did not challenge the order of the controlling authority in appeal immediately on receipt of the order on 27/10/2006. Stop. In the circumstances, even if the period from the date of application for certified copy and date on which it was received is excluded, still, in the present case, the appeal was not preferred within 120 days from the date on which the petitioner received the order, that is 27/10/2006. Stop. In my opinion, the appeal in the present case cannot be treated as preferred within the time stipulated under section 7 of the Act, since the amount of gratuity was deposited by the petitioners on 12th March 2007. Stop. The submission that in the face of the directions of this court in the earlier writ petition It was not open to the appellate authority to go into the question of limitation also deserves to be rejected outright. Stop. The order of this court is very clear, by which the appellate court was simply directed to decide the appeal within 6 months from the date of order. Stop. The question of limitation was neither raised nor was it considered at that stage. Stop. In the circumstances, the petition deserves to be dismissed and is dismissed as such. Stop.